Hello, welcome to my YouTube channels. This is your stop point for all computer-related knowledge. If you are new to this channel or you have not subscribed, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
So in this video, I want us to be able to know or to be able to understand how you can be able to retrieve or you can be able to access all the password that you have saved in Chrome. So if you have been using Chrome, using your Gmail account to log in, and then you have been saving some password and username, you can be able to retrieve all of them so that maybe you can use them in another computer. This video is for education purpose only, so I'm not teaching you how to hack other people's account or how to access other people's information. So what you do, you click these three dots here, then you go to password and autofill, and then you go to Google Password Manager. From there, you're going to see all the sites, all the portals that you have ever accessed with the active Gmail account. Okay. So from there, if you want to get maybe the password for the first one, you just click on this arrow facing on your right. So you just click there, and then you'll be able to see the password. So to see the password, you can just click on the show password, and then you'll be able to access the password for that site. So for any of these, you can be able to see the password so that you can use it in another computer. As I had said, this video is not for you to be able to access other people's account. It's for you to be able to know just how you can be able to retrieve a password that you have been using in Chrome using your Gmail that has been saved on your Gmail account. That is all for today. Remember to like, follow, share, and subscribe.